Hello, my dear students. I Rahul Mishra, and today we will discuss cleansing action of soap. So, before studying this topic, we have some idea about the formula of soap. So, we all know that the formula of soap is C17H35 COONA. This is the formula of soap. This is called as sodium stearate. This is called as sodium stearate. Now listen, this formula contain a non-polar tail part. Non-polar tail part. This is long hydrocarbon chain which contains 17 carbon atoms and 35 hydrogen atoms. So C17H35, this is long hydrocarbon chain part which contains 17 carbon and 35 hydrogen, and this part is non-polar. This part is non-polar. So COONA, this part is called as carboxylate part or polar part. This part is called as carboxylate part and polar part. Carboxylate part or polar part, it is also called due to COONA. This part is called as carboxylate or polar part. We can write it in this form also, COO minus Na plus. So this is polar in nature. This is polar in nature because it contain poles. It contain poles. So this is polar part. And listen, this is soluble in water. If it is soluble in water, then we can say it is hydrophilic in nature. It is hydrophilic in nature. Hydro means water, philic means to attract. So hydrophilic means water attracting part. This part is called as water attracting part or hydrophilic part. But if we talk about non-polar part or long chain hydrocarbon part, then this part is called as non-polar part, hydrocarbon part, and we can call it hydrophobic part. Hydrophobic because it is not soluble in water. Because it is not soluble in water, it is also called as water hating part. Hydro means water, phobic means to hate. It means it is not soluble in water. So soap molecule contain two part. First one is hydrophobic part and second one is hydrophilic part. So cleansing action of soap depends upon these two parts. Cleansing action of soap depends upon these two parts. So listen, first part is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means water hating part or water insoluble part, or we can say oil philic means oil soluble part. It is also called as oil philic part, and this part is also called as oil phobic part. This is hydrophilic but oil phobic because it is soluble in water but insoluble in oil. So listen, cleansing action of soap depends upon two parts. First one is hydrophobic part. So we can see this part is non-polar tail part. It is made up of long hydrocarbon chain This non-polar part is insoluble in water, but it is soluble in oil. Hydrophobic word is made up of two words. Hydro means water, phobic means to hate. It means हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट सोप मॉलिक्यूल का वो पार्ट होता है जिसमें कि नॉन पोलर लॉन्ग हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन होती है. एज वी कैन सी हेयर C17H35. This C17H35 is non-polar hydrocarbon chain part and it is hydrophobic part. So listen, we can make this long hydrocarbon chain into this form also. So this zigzag chain represents long hydrocarbon chain and this is called as polar part. This represents this negative represents carboxylate part. This negative represents carboxylate part and this zigzag chain represents long hydrocarbon chain which is made up of 17 carbon atoms. 17 carbon atoms. Now we will discuss hydrophilic part. So what is hydrophilic part? Hydrophilic means we can say it is carboxylate part and this part is polar part because it contains poles or charge. As we can see COO minus and Na plus, we can see COO minus contain negative charge. So this is called as polar part because this part has polar head. It is carboxylate part of soap and we all know that it is soluble in water, so it is called as hydrophilic. If it is soluble in water, then it will be insoluble in oil. So hydrophilic, or we can say oil phobic. So listen, we all know that hydrophilic means water loving. Hydro means water, philic means to attract or loving. So this is water loving part. Now we will discuss what is the cleansing action of soap. So we can see this is the formula of soap C17H35COONA. When soap molecule is dissolved in water, when soap molecule is dissolved in water, then it will get dissociated into their ions C17H35 COO minus and Na plus. So soap molecule is called as sodium stearate. When it is dissolved in water, then it will get dissociated into two ions. First one is stearate ion and second one is sodium ion. So we can represent soap molecule into this form also. This zigzag chain represents long chain hydrocarbon part which is C17H35 and this is hydrophobic part and this COO minus represent this negative ion part. It means this is polar part or polar part because it contains charge and this is carboxylate part also. So soap molecule contain two parts. First one is non-polar hydrocarbon chain part, hydrophobic part, and second one is carboxylate part or polar part. This is hydrophilic part because it contains charge. So this is polar. It does not contain any charge. So this is non-polar. Now we can see here. So listen, when what is the cleansing action of soap? When soap molecule is dissolved in water, then soap molecule get dissociated into stearate ion and sodium ion. Stearate ion means C17H35 COO minus and sodium ion. Listen here, this stearate ion contain non-polar and polar part, are hydrophobic and hydrophilic part. So these stearate ions are, this is the this is the part of soap molecule. These stearate ion get aggregate with each other, and after aggregation of these soap molecule they form a closed structure, and this structure is called as micelles. This overall structure is called as micelle. So when soap is dissolved in water, then it will get dissociate into their ions, and these stearate ion get aggregate and they will form micelles. This resultant structure is called as micelles. And listen, micelles contain hydrophobic part inside. Hydrophobic part inside, as we can see in this figure, micelle contain hydrophobic part inside and hydrophilic part outside at the periphery. So this is called as micelle. So micelle structure contain hydrophobic part inside at the center, as we can see into this figure. This micelle contain hydrophobic part inside, and these parts are directed towards center, while hydrophilic part or carboxylate part are present at the periphery. So listen, when cloth is soaked into water, then what will be happened? So listen, when cloth is soaked into water, then cloth containing impurities like oil, fat, so these impurities get attracted towards hydrophobic part of the micelles. These oil or fat impurities or dirt get attracted towards the hydrophobic part of micelle. It means here dirt molecule will be present. So this dirt molecule get entangled at the center of micelle, at the center of micelle. So listen, when dirt molecule get entangled means फंस जाना, when dirt molecule get entangled at the center of micelle, and when cloth is again washed with clean water, then this overall micelle structure which containing dirt particle, it will go away, it will go away from the cloth, it will go away from the cloth. It means जब हम डर्ट क्लॉथ को, जिस पर स्टेन है हमारा, जो स्टेन या दाग ऑयल का हो सकता है, फैट का हो सकता है, या कोई डर्ट पार्टिकल हो सकता है, ये स्टेन या दाग ये सोप मॉलिक्यूल या मिसेल मॉलिक्यूल के हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट में जाकर फंस जाता है, और जब इसको दोबारा वॉश किया जाता है तो ओवरऑल मिसेल मॉलिक्यूल, जिसमें कि हमारा डर्ट पार्टिकल भी है सेंटर पर, ये पूरा ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर पानी के साथ बह जाता है दोबारा धुलने पर, जिससे कि हमारा क्लॉथ क्लीन हो जाता है. सो दिस इज़ द क्लिनजिंग एक्शन ऑफ सोप. Now we can see here, we can see in this language also, when soap are added to water then they form micelle. It means जब सोप को वाटर में ऐड करते हैं तो ये मिसेल बनाता है. और वी कैन से सोप मॉलिक्यूल गेट एग्रीगेट. जो सोप मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं ये एग्रीगेट होकर, कई सारे सोप मॉलिक्यूल एग्रीगेट होकर एक रिजल्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं. दिस रिजल्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड एज मिसेल. एंड मिसेल plays important role in the cleansing action of soap. So this micelle molecule containing dirt, and this micelle molecule containing dirt flows away with water. So listen, in case of micelle, we all know that micelle polar group arranged at the periphery. जो पोलर ग्रुप्स हैं या कार्बोक्सिलेट पार्ट है वो पेरीफेरी पर प्रेजेंट है. एंड लिसन, while non-polar group remains arranged inside. और जो नॉन पोलर ग्रुप है या हाइड्रोकार्बन पार्ट है ये हमारा इनसाइड की तरफ है, अंदर की ओर है या सेंटर की ओर है. सो लिसन, आयल और फैट जनरली कंटेन हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट. सो हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट ऑफ आयल or fat or stain, it will get attracted towards the hydrophobic part of micelle. So when cloth is soaked in soap water solution, the hydrophobic dirt particle get trapped inside the micelle. This ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर इज वाटर सॉल्युबल. ये जो डर्ट के साथ मिसेल का स्ट्रक्चर बनता है ये ओवरऑल वाटर में सॉल्युबल होता है. एंड इट फ्लोज आउट एंड इट गो अवे विद वाटर. और ये दाग को फंसा कर पानी के साथ धुलने पर ये दूर हो जाता है.